How to make a man truly miss you. These days, it's easy to talk to someone, but hard to be truly missed. If you want to stand out in a man's mind and heart, you don't need to chase him. You need to inspire him to feel your absence in a way that makes him long for your presence. Here are 7 simple but powerful things you can do to make a man genuinely miss you. 1. Give him the gift of space. The fastest way to make a man miss you is by stepping back a little. Not in a cold or rude way, but by giving him time to think, breathe, and realize what life feels like without your constant presence. When you're always available, it's easy for someone to take you for granted. But when you give space, you're creating room for him to feel your absence. Let him wonder where you are, what you're doing, and who you're spending time with. That quiet curiosity builds emotional tension, and that's when missing starts to grow. 2. Be unforgettable with emotional impact. You don't need to be with him every day to be remembered. What matters more is how you make him feel when you're together. Be present. Listen deeply. Laugh at his jokes. Open up about your dreams. Share stories that no one else knows. These small, sincere moments become emotional imprints. When he's alone, he'll start replaying those memories, like the way you smiled at him or how you made him feel safe. If you consistently stir positive emotions, he won't just think of you, he'll miss you. 3. Have your own exciting life. Men miss women who are not always glued to their phones, waiting for texts. When you're busy chasing your dreams, hanging out with friends, growing as a person, that becomes attractive. It's magnetic. It shows you're not dependent on him for happiness. He'll see photos of you living your life and think, she's amazing, and I miss being part of her world. Your independence becomes a reminder of what he could lose, and that creates a powerful longing. 4. Make your conversations meaningful. Don't always aim to impress. Aim to connect. Share bits of your personality that show your depth. Talk about things that matter to you. Ask thoughtful questions. Be curious about his passions. The more meaningful your conversations are, the more personal your connection becomes. And when you're not around, he'll miss those talks that made him feel alive, seen, and understood, because not everyone can give him that. 5. Be playful and flirty, but not always. Mystery is part of attraction. Being fun, flirty, and warm is important, but don't overdo it. Let him crave your attention sometimes. Send a cute message, then go quiet for a bit. Leave a voice note full of laughter, then go enjoy your day. This keeps the emotional rhythm unpredictable. You're giving affection in doses, not flooding him, but teasing just enough to keep him wanting more. 6. Look your best when he doesn't expect it. This isn't about impressing him. It's about reminding him what he's missing. When you show up glowing, confident, and happy, it hits differently. It makes him think, wow, she's thriving. Whether it's in a random social media post or a surprise run-in, your physical presence combined with your growth can strike a chord. You're showing him you're not waiting, you're evolving. And that's when he starts to miss the version of you he once had access to. 7. Be true to yourself always. The most powerful way to make a man miss you is to be real. Don't act extra just to get attention. Don't pretend to be someone else. Be kind. Be warm. Be honest. When a man experiences authenticity in a world full of filters and games, he remembers it. And once you step away, it's not your body or beauty he misses the most. It's your energy, your truth, and the peace you brought into his life. That's the kind of woman no one forgets.